thrilled to start our journey with the first day of our 30-day online earning experiment. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial steps, setting your goals. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your approach, this video will guide you through setting clear, achievable goals for earning money online from home. So, let's get started. Setting the stage. Before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about why goal setting is so important. Setting goals gives you long-term vision and short-term motivation. It helps you organize your resources and your time so that you can make the most out of your life. Understanding goal setting. The first step in setting effective goals is understanding what you truly want to achieve. Start by asking yourself some key questions. What am I passionate about? What skills do I have? How much time can I realistically dedicate to online activities? Remember, the goal here is to earn money online, so think about goals that align with your skills and interests. Exploring passions and skills. Delve deeper into your passions and skills. For instance, if you love writing and have expertise in a particular field, consider how you can turn that into a profitable blog or freelance writing business. Reflect on your hobbies, past work experiences, and feedback you've received from others. This self-reflection will help you pinpoint areas where you can genuinely excel and enjoy the work you do. SMART goals. Once you have a clear idea, it's time to make your goals SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break these down with an example. Say, you want to start a blog. A SMART goal would be, I will launch a personal finance blog by the end of the month, publish one post per week, and reach 100 subscribers in 3 months. Detailed breakdown of SMART goals. Let's dissect these SMART goals further. Specific goals clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable goals allow you to track your progress. Achievable goals ensure that your objectives are within reach. Relevant goals align with your broader life and career aspirations. Time-bound goals give you a deadline to work towards. This structure helps maintain focus and momentum. Setting financial goals. Financial goals are crucial. Begin by determining how much you want to earn and by when. Be realistic but optimistic. For instance, if you're starting a YouTube channel, you might set a goal to earn $100 in your first month through ad revenue and affiliate marketing. Expanding on financial goals. Expand your financial goals by setting short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial targets. For example, aim to earn $500 in the first 3 months from your blog through ads and affiliate links, then increase your target as your audience grows. This approach keeps you motivated and responsive to changes in your business model. Planning and tools. With your goals set, it's time to plan how to achieve them. Identify the tools and resources you need. For blogging, you might need a content management system like WordPress, SEO tools, and perhaps some courses on digital marketing. For YouTube, you'll need video editing software and a basic setup for filming. Additional resources and strategies. Consider additional resources such as joining online communities, attending webinars, and networking with other digital entrepreneurs. These resources can provide valuable insights and support as you build and grow your online presence. Conclusion. That's it for day 1. You've set your goals, and you're ready to take the next steps. Tomorrow, we'll look at creating a detailed plan to start earning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.